When you actually swip out your mobile phone right now and you log on to www.kiahands-on.com, what's going to happen is that you'll be signing up and you'll receive a mobile smart key. You're going to use your mobile phone and unlock the Kia that you want to test drive.
Very fresh and innovative, that is. Usually people haven't done it, so I'm surprised I can really open a car with just a phone.
I didn't expect it to be that easy lah, to be honest. It's really as easy as one could have ever imagined or asked for, and it's very convenient lah. You are by yourself in the car, and there's no one else but you. You can pedal what you want, do what you want, and I guess it's just you and the car, and people typically try to connect as much as they can. That connection, you instantly feel that this is the car for you lah.
Compared to what I've driven right now or in the past, interior, exterior, everything is nice. Performance is good, and it's definitely worth considering buying this car.
Having all these new discoveries like sports mode, and it's pretty smooth. The wireless charging as well. I thought it was a very good add-on for 21st century generation. So definitely I am willing to get a Kia.